Some of y'all might have seen my picture on my Facebook or Instagram saying I got a new off-road toy. This is it. It looks real as shit in the picture, but really it's just a new RC car. This is my first high-end RC toy, I guess you can say. Toy, car, scale, and trail crawler, if you will. Kind of pumped up about it. My new schedule here is kind of fucked, for lack of better words. I never know when I'm working, never know when I'm off, and it just ain't feasible to get my Ranger out as much as I have been in the past. I still have it, I still love it, I still would be rather mudding every day of the week instead of going to work or doing anything else. But it just ain't happening as much as I'd like it to. So I picked up this Traxxas TRX-4. It's fucking badass looking, for one, and hopefully I can go out and dick around with this for maybe an hour, come back, go to work, whatever, something to do. Still gets me off road. I can still make videos. Let's open up the box, check it out, what's in it. This is my first high-end RC car. I've only had the like, you know, the shitty ones from Walmart, and that's what I've bought for my kids in the past. I never spent no real money on it or nothing. I'm looking forward to this though. Got my handy dandy Swiss Army knife on my keychain. Never go anywhere without it. This here's the battery pack and charger. The remote control. Shit, I opened this fucking thing upside down. Hold on. This thing's a fucking beast and a half. I don't think I have enough room on my desk to even open this motherfucker without using my fucking feet. God damn. That's a big bitch. That's a huge bitch. These are body clips. Check it out. All my ATV fan followers, check this out. I finally got fucking portal axles. Finally got me some portals. That's funny. It's supposed to have, so it's got portals. I think front and rear locking differentials. Everything's waterproof. Tires, I don't know how good these tires are. Like I said, this is my first high-end RC truck or toy or whatever the hell you want to call it. I don't know if those are good or bad or what, but from what I understand, these are highly customizable. So I'll probably trick this one out pretty good. I ain't got shit else better to do. I don't know if this has plenty of light on it or not. I think it looks alright on camera. I'm doing this one-handed. I couldn't find my tripod. Nice and shiny. Let's see. Ooh, pretty. Shit, they even got it around the fucking windshield wipers. The fuck? There. Man, I couldn't get that son of a bitch lined up. There you have it. There is the way it sits. I think it looks cool as hell. I don't know. I guess this is a decal. So these are pretty popular models right now. I don't know if this just came out or what, but I see myself taking that red off. I'm not a big red fan, and probably painting it up somehow, getting some decals on there or something. I got a decal machine, so I'll probably have something cool on there before you know it. Let's see, what else came in the box? This doodad here, I never have had any of this shit. Cool, I guess. I don't know what I'm looking at. I'll figure that out. And then here's the battery charger. And this shit was expensive as it was. So altogether this is, I think, $5.85, something like that. The sunset version, the orange and the yellow free ride Bronco version, which is cool as shit looking. I think it was like an extra 60 bucks or something, and wasn't available on Prime, so I just got this. I'm gonna change it up anyhow. And then 2-cell battery pack. I don't know what. I read something about 2S and 3S, and I'm not sure what's what. Yeah, I don't see that shit nowhere on here. Yeah, I don't know shit from shampoo about fucking RC cars. Anyhow, there's the battery and the charger. Also came with the manufacturer's suggestion manual, toolkit, extra body clips. I'm sure I'll lose all of those almost immediately. Toolkit and some cool stickers, which who doesn't love stickers, right? Yeah. Let me see if I can't plug this up, charge it up. Once you know it, this thing takes 4 AA batteries. All I could muster up was one of them. Looks like I gotta run to the store right quick, which is cool. I'll let this thing charge up for a while, and I'll be back. Alright, got my receiver all hooked up, and batteries in, it's all charged. Check this out. So it's a flip of this switch here. It's got front and rear locking differentials. This is the front, and then this is front and rear. That's pretty badass, man. That's fucking cool. Get the body back on. Real quick, I wanted to show you something. See all these pieces of trim? See all that? All of it is screwed on there or clipped on there. It's got lights, provisions for LEDs, these headlights. I think it's where you can put in a LED kit for headlights. Everything is screwed on there for, you can change it. It's pretty cool, I think, man. Pretty dang cool. So, there you have it. I think it's fucking rad. I just bought this just because I can't get my ATV out all the time, my Ranger. I will be continuing to take that thing out as much as possible. That's my #1 hobby. This is just shits and giggles, I guess. If you're just tuning in because of this video, most of my videos are about ATV, off-road and shit. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that little bell down there. Makes a huge difference. And if you're just dying to leave negative comments, feel free. I'll call it right now. Usually 99.99% of the people that leave negative comments are too chicken shit to upload their own videos. All these fucking keyboard warriors. Anyhow, if you do, or if you are into this hobby, this RC trucks, I don't know jack shit about it. So if you can drop a comment down below, tell me where to look, what to look into, anything like that. Tell me what you got. Anything would be useful right now. This is my very first one. Never used one before. Never had one before, I should say. Yeah, tell me what you think. I'll be having more ATV videos soon, I promise. And I'll be dropping some of these in here and there. Thanks for watching.